People start side hustles for many reasons, but one of the top reasons is so that they can make additional money. With the cost of living rising, many people are looking for additional ways to make ends meet since the income that they're getting from their job isn't meeting all of their needs. On average, 1 in 3 people have a side hustle. In today's podcast episode, I'll walk you through what side hustles are all about, why they're growing in popularity, and if a side hustle is right for you. If you've been thinking about starting a side hustle, or maybe you've already dipped your toes in the side hustle world, listen in and make sure that you're aware of how you can make money with a side hustle. Whether you're starting a business or a side hustle, you're a self-employed individual, a solopreneur, entrepreneur, mompreneur, freelancer, business owner, virtual assistant, or bookkeeper. Many business owners start their businesses out as a side hustle. It's a secure way for you to test the waters of entrepreneurship as well as your business idea before you go all in and lose the security that you have with the income you receive from your current paycheck. If you're a business owner who wants to take your business to the next level, whether you're starting a business, you're building your business, or you're serious about growing your business, I want to invite you to work with me so that you can meet your goals in the most accelerated, streamlined, and efficient way possible that also aligns with your life and the impact that you want to make with your business. As a CPA, business strategist, and coach, I've created 2 options for you to choose from when you work with me. The first is my Mastering Your Small Business Finances Profit Lab. This is a group program where we have live weekly business meetings and coaching sessions to answer your questions so that you can generate revenues and increase the profit in your business. You can learn more about the Profit Lab by going to financialadventure.com/profit. Or, if you like the idea of working with me on a more private, one-on-one basis, you can schedule a free consultation session where we'll go over where you currently are in your business and where you'd like to see yourself and your business in the future. During this session, we'll begin to map out the steps you need to take to achieve your goals. I'm helping my clients start their businesses, become more profitable, set strategies to move their business forward, and take control of their business and their finances while allowing them the balance and ability to enjoy their personal lives by utilizing business strategy, coaching, mentorship, and support. You can schedule your session today by going to financialadventure.com and clicking on the Work With Me button. By taking action in your business, you'll achieve your goals. By keeping everything simple, you'll avoid confusion and overwhelm. You'll understand your business finances, your next steps, and you'll follow through with the vision that you have for your business. My goal is to help you dream big, follow your heart, and love what you do. You're listening to the Mastering Your Small Business Finances podcast, where we get straight to the point on topics that ultimately affect your bottom line. That's right, as an entrepreneur with a small business, money management, growth, marketing, they all affect your bottom line. I'm your host, Chris Ponick. I'm a certified public accountant, and I've been helping small business owners like you navigate and easily understand these complicated topics for over 25 years. I'm a wife, a mom, a grandmother, and a small business owner myself, so I know your time is valuable. In my free time, I make the best sugar cookies and have mastered an amazing chocolate chip cookie recipe. And that's not just my opinion. You're in the right place. I promise your time will be well spent here. Each week, you'll gain confidence and clarity while making a successful impact on your business and grow your bottom line. Get comfy, grab a cookie, and let's get straight to the point with this week's episode. Welcome back. More than likely, you've been hearing more and more about people starting a side hustle. And if you've been thinking about jumping in as a side hustler as well, I'm here today to help you consider how you can make money with a side hustle yourself. Let's start out with what a side hustle actually is. A side hustle is an additional job a person takes on in addition to their primary job in order to supplement their income. You may want to supplement your income as a necessity to pay your bills or make ends meet with the cost of living going up. You might have a large purchase that you want to make in the future, a wedding, a vacation that you want to take, or you want to pay off a large debt that you've already incurred, such as your student loan debt. Maybe you want to explore a new potential career, do something that you love, or you simply want to create more income for discretionary spending, disposable income, or to start a savings account. You want to make sure that your side hustle is something that appeals to you. It should be something that you're passionate about since you'll be working on your side hustle outside of your regular working hours. This may mean that you need to give up your nights and weekends so that you can put that time and effort towards your side hustle. But you want to make sure you're setting boundaries so that you can still enjoy your life. When you love what you're doing, it makes it much easier to follow through with the work that you need to do in your side hustle. Don't confuse a side hustle with a second job, though. It isn't necessarily a second job since you get to call the shots. You decide on how much time you want to spend on your side hustle, how much money you want to make, and what you're going to do in your side hustle. Essentially, you're an entrepreneur or a solopreneur when you have a side hustle. Most side hustles will start small and expand into a bigger business over time if this is the intent. But it's just fine to keep your side hustle small if that's what you want. Think about what you want your overall goal to be for your side hustle, and if you may want to grow or scale your side hustle into a full-time business in the future. The amount of income that you can make will really depend on how much time you devote to your side hustle, if you can work your side hustle year-round, and if you're able to expand your reach from local to nationwide. Your side hustle is a way for you to explore your passions without losing the security you have with your full-time paycheck. But you want to make sure that you do your research before starting your side hustle. Most side hustlers will use the skills that they already have to get their side hustles off the ground. This allows you to use your side hustle as a way to increase not only your financial independence, but to make extra money while being productive with your spare time and having a creative outlet for your skills. Side hustles can also give you personal and professional satisfaction since you're making the decisions for yourself, which can boost your overall confidence in yourself. Your side hustle can be flexible. You get to set your hours and your rates, and you could even earn more money with your side hustle than you do with your full-time job. You can also have a sense of security knowing that you have your side hustle income coming in, even if you'd happen to lose your full-time job for one reason or another. Some of the most popular side hustles that we see are freelancers, gig workers, or entrepreneurs and solopreneurs. Before you start your side hustle, you might want to consider some of the traits that you need to make your side hustle a success. Do you have the motivation you need to keep going? Are you willing to learn additional skills? Are you okay with making mistakes and taking the time to learn from them so you don't make the same mistakes in the future? Think about the cost of getting your side hustle started. Most side hustles have a low entry cost or investment, but overall, you want to make sure that you're selecting a side hustle that is in high demand and something that people need, want, and are willing to pay for. Consider your ongoing expenses as well so that you know how profitable your side hustle will be since you'll be sacrificing giving up your valuable free time. Make sure that you check with your employer to make sure that there are no issues or concerns that they have with your idea of starting your side hustle, and remember that you will need to report your income from your side hustle on your tax return in addition to the wages that you earn from your employer. Most side hustles allow you to work from home, and many are done online or remotely, which saves you time and helps you to be more efficient. The advancements in technology and internet access simplify your ability to have a business and market using social media to expand your reach and to find new connections. Imagine having a system in place where you spend less time buried in paperwork and more time doing what you love. That's where I help my clients. They're able to have proper processes in place, understand why they're following through with these processes, and they have more peace of mind when it comes to their business. Striking a balance between the demands of running a business and maintaining a fulfilling personal life is an art. It's about creating an environment where you can thrive and support the lifestyle you want. By being proactive and setting up efficient processes, you can ensure a smoother, more enjoyable year-end, and you'll be prepared to file any necessary filings with the IRS. By working with me, you'll change more than just your bookkeeping processes. Like many of the clients I've worked with, you'll go from not knowing how to get through all the stressful situations or being unprepared to being totally in control of exactly what you're choosing to get done at the time you want to have it accomplished by, all while knowing you're doing enough and you're able to enjoy your business and your personal life. I help clients just like you with strategy, mentorship, and coaching. When you work with me, you'll show up much more differently than you do today. And after all, this is ultimately what you want in your life, right? Come and join me. When I work with clients throughout the year, they're able to reduce their stress and overwhelm, understand how to master their small business finances, develop solutions to grow their bottom line, and create a work-life balance that they truly enjoy. I encourage you to take the next step by signing up for a free consultation where I'm going to teach you the first step in my process so that you can eliminate stress, overwhelm, or overworking in your professional or your personal life, while you continue to get done what matters so that you can live your life with joy, purpose, and a more fulfilled life. Feel free to reach out to me with any questions you have. I'd love to help you on this journey. You can schedule your free consultation or sign up for a coaching session today at financialadventure.com. As a certified public accountant and certified life coach, I can help you set goals and develop a plan that will allow you to lead a happier and more sustainable life in your business, your career, or your personal life. I'm here to guide you through the financial aspects of your business, as well as help you focus on the strategies that you need to follow to reach the success that you want to achieve in your professional or personal life, and stay committed so that you can continue to keep pushing forward and relieve the stress, anxiety, and overwhelm that you're currently feeling. Having an accountant and certified life coach like me can provide you with valuable insights and ideas to help you simplify your life, which enables you to go back to enjoying your professional and your personal life. I work with business owners, accountants, and other financial professionals to create the actionable steps that they need to take to ultimately achieve their goals, while getting relief from the stress and overwhelm they feel from the pressure of owning a business, deadlines, and the workload they face every day. If you're struggling with this as well, and would like some help developing a solution, help strengthen and maintain your emotional health, increase your well-being, create a more positive, happy, and joyful life, set and achieve your goals, and manage your relationships, you can go to financialadventure.com and click on the Work With Me button. Sign up now. I help people get results and live a more joyful life. I know there's something that you want in your life, and I can help you get it. Are you ready to enjoy your life now? Why would you want to wait? Are you ready to make bigger, bolder, stronger life goals? I'm looking forward to meeting with you soon and digging deeper to see where you currently are in your business or your career, and start creating actionable steps so that you can reach your vision and your goals for the future. Not only in your business or your career, but also in your personal life. I'm ready to work with you, see all of your successes, and watch you thrive in your business or your career while creating your best work-life balance. I'll post links to this and other valuable resources for business owners and accountants where you're listening to this podcast. And you know I'm going to ask, what's at least one thing that you'll take away from this episode that will help your business succeed and grow your bottom line? If you need some accountability, join our private Facebook community and post your action item. We'd love to support you. Thanks for taking the time to tune into this episode of Mastering Your Small Business Finances. If you enjoyed this episode as much as I enjoyed creating it for you, I'd love for you to give it a 5-star rating and subscribe to the show so you never miss an episode. Visit financialadventure.com for the show notes, links from this episode, and while you're there, leave a comment if you have a topic you're interested in learning more about that affects your bottom line. If you're looking for a community where you can ask questions and get feedback about your small business, join my private Facebook group. You can find the links to this group and more on financialadventure.com. And remember, any financial information shared on this podcast is not to be considered professional, financial, or tax advice and should not be solely relied upon. Please consult your CPA or tax advisor for an opinion on your specific circumstances. I'm looking forward to having you tune in next time. Until then, dream big, follow your heart, and love what you do.